all please watch this. Before Yumi graces us with their performance, I am so happy to announce the streaming date of Pinoy Pop Camp.
Remember when they first jumped and everything just clicked?
Hi! I'm Alfredo. Hello po! Sino Mercado po ito? SAMCY po! Nancy Sebastian! Hi! I'm Megan Halal. Hello po! Ako po si Jenny Sikat.
Harmony in every voice.
Maganda sila. Yes, maganda sila.
Power in every move. Unity in every performance. That's Yumi.
At hindi lang sila basta all-girl P-pop group. They're a whole vibe. Because behind the stage, magkakasama sila araw-araw sa Yumi House. Housemates, roommates, real-life besties. From today on, they're calling you their Yumates. Parang housemates, roommates, but make it fandom. So welcome Yumates to the colorful world of Yumi. Follow, stream, support, and go with them every step of the way.